Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. Here I'm going to show you how you can delete saved color in Dress to Impress. So if your custom palette is getting crowded with old colors that you don't use anymore, here I'm going to show you the exact button to click to clear them out and make room for new aesthetic combinations. So let's just find the color first. You can just choose any items that you use and you'll see these color palettes right here. And as you guys can see, there is no such thing as delete a button in here. So what you need to do is just click on this little button beside the color palette. And after that, when you click it, there will be this cross icon on each of the colors. So you can just choose which color to delete. For example, I'm going to delete this one. And it will automatically remove from your color palette. So you can just repeat the steps to clear the color that you don't want to use anymore. And if you're done, you can just click on this button again. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.